Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
The Zontes 703F is a noteworthy motorcycle with several appealing features aimed at both functionality and style. Here are some key features of the Zontes 703F. 1. Engine. Type: triple-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. Displacement: approximately 693 cubic centimeters. Power output: around 75 horsepower, providing a good balance of power for both city and highway riding. Torque: generous torque, especially at lower RPMs, ensuring good acceleration and handling. 2. Design. Frame: lightweight, yet robust frame designed for durability and optimal weight distribution. Bodywork: modern and aggressive styling with sharp lines, a sculpted fuel tank, and aerodynamic features. Colors: available in multiple color options to suit different tastes. 3. Suspension and brakes. Front suspension: upside-down USD forks, offering a balance between comfort and handling precision. Rear suspension: monoshock setup, adjustable to cater to different riding conditions and preferences. Brakes: high-performance disc brakes on both front and rear wheels, typically equipped with ABS for enhanced safety. 4. Wheels and tires. Wheels: lightweight alloy wheels, contributing to the overall agility and performance of the bike. Tires: high grip, all-weather tires designed for a mix of sporty and everyday riding. 5. Electronics and instrumentation. Display: fully digital instrument cluster providing all necessary information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip information. Lighting: full LED lighting system, including headlight, tail light, and turn indicators for better visibility and modern aesthetics. Riding modes: multiple riding modes, e.g., Sport, Eco, to tailor the bike's performance to different conditions and preferences. Connectivity: some models may feature Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration, allowing for navigation and call management. 6. Comfort and ergonomics. Seat: ergonomically designed seat for rider and pillion comfort, suitable for long rides. Handlebars: adjustable handlebars to suit different rider heights and preferences. Footpegs: strategically placed foot pegs to provide a comfortable riding posture. 7. Fuel efficiency and tank capacity. Fuel efficiency: designed to be fuel efficient, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer trips. Tank capacity: a sizable fuel tank to ensure fewer stops for refueling during long rides. 8. Additional features. Storage: some models may offer additional storage options, like a small underseat compartment. Accessories: availability of various accessories such as luggage racks, windshields, and crash guards for added functionality and protection. The Zontes 703F combines performance, style, and modern features to cater to a wide range of motorcycling enthusiasts.